Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today. Today, we are going to talk about generative AI, what it is, why it matters, and how small tourism businesses, focusing more on rural communities, can take advantage of it. What we're going to talk about is the fact that tourism industry is changing fast, and tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and AI assistants are no longer things of the future. They are practical, they are affordable, and they are already reshaping how visitors plan and experience their trips. So let us start with a definition of generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI are technologies, any kind of technologies that helps us create new things, whether that may be text, images, videos, or even conversations. We just describe what we need in plain language, and the AI generates a draft for us to use. For example, a very simple example can be a ChatGPT prompt where we say, write a short Facebook post about this weekend's farmer market, or design a flyer highlighting our hiking trails. In seconds, it gives us a usable draft. So, why does it matter for tourism? What is the link between generative AI and tourism? Today's travelers expect more. They want personalized recommendations, they expect quick, friendly answers, often in their own language, and they love hearing local stories. And all of these are generated by using generative AI. For example, let us imagine a family which is arriving in your town and they start asking, what is the best easy trail for kids near the main street? An AI powered assistant can easily provide that answer instantly, 24/7, without adding any workload to its staff. So, what are the benefits for small tourism businesses when they start integrating generative AI in their framework? The key benefits that we found from our research is first of all, it helps us to save time because it helps us to handle repetitive tasks like drafting posts and answering commonly asked questions. It allows us to reach more visitors by using AI powered chatbots and guides that we can make frequently available on our websites, social media, and messaging apps. It also helps us to improve the content of the quality that we use for advertising our business by producing polished marketing materials, images, captions, itineraries without needing a full design or a separate marketing team. And the main thing right now is it helps small and medium businesses to stay competitive. Small operators can use the same tools as big companies and they can level the playing field. So, why generative AI right now? First of all, right now, the tools that helps us to create these text, images, whatever we want, are being easy to use and they are affordable. Many platforms that we usually use in our general life have already integrated these kind of AI agents in their workflow. Second, travelers are increasingly expecting AI powered personalizations in their journey. They are being more acceptable of AI agents to either create itineraries or create their planning travels, and they are more accepting the use of AI integration in the tourism industry. But the key tip here is we cannot expect to integrate everything in the AI framework. We need to start small. We start with one small task and then we gradually ramp up that process. Some real world examples that we found that shows that all of this is not just a theory but it's already happening are visit estes park in colorado, which launched an AI assistant on WhatsApp and Instagram to answer visitor questions 24/7. Seattle ballooning business in Washington that uses an AI chatbot which mirrors the owner's voice and helps convert website visitors into bookings. Oklahoma tourism in the entire state created an AI generated travel guide which was downloaded and shared by over 17,000 people in just 5 months. What this shows us is that these small teams helps us to show how AI helps to save time, engage more visitors, and deliver better results. So, what can be your next step? Like we said, um, we cannot integrate everything in the AI framework. So how can we start small? What can we do to get started? First of all, we can use AI for our content creation. We can use AI to draft social media posts, newsletters, or flyers. It saves us time while creating our messages to be fresh and professional. We can use AI for visual design. We can start with small and free to use tools like Canva AI, and we can create quick graphics, posters, or ads. And these are perfect if we don't have an in house designer for our advertising needs. We can try to use AI powered chatbots at a very small scale to help in customer communication to handle common questions like opening hours, directions, or booking details. And we can also try some kind of task automation with very simple no code tools so that we can automate follow up emails, booking confirmations, or visitor survey without needing a dedicated tech team. The thing that we need to remember is the entire core of hospitality and tourism business lies in human touch. So we do not want to use AI to replace our personal touch, but we want to use it to support us by handling the repetitive tasks so that we can focus on what really matters, welcoming visitors and sharing our unique stories with them. So, to wrap up, generative AI is not just for beginners, it is not just for big companies. It is a once in a generation opportunity for small tourism businesses to level the playing field. By adopting even one small AI tool, we can save time, we can expand reach, and provide the personalized recommendations that travelers today crave. Our recommendation here is very simple. Let us start small, let us experiment, and let AI help share our story with the world. Thank you for listening.